My dear brothers and sisters, in today's gospel passage, we heard about a miracle. And this miracle takes place immediately after Jesus had performed another miracle. That was multiplying 12 barley loaves and 2 fish. And now we find disciples are moving to another area. They had crossed the sea. Now, how do we understand, how do we interpret this miracle of walking on the water? One could find many so-called interpretations. We need to go back into the Old Testament to understand a few of them. No human being has ever tried walking on the water. I know you have tried. I'm sure you got sunk in the water. Because the gravity of the water and us is totally different. When we try to walk, we immediately get pulled in. But Jesus walking on the water showed that he was not just a human being, also a divine being. Only a divine being could walk on the water. The second interpretation given could be, we need to go back, as I said, to the Old Testament, that people believed that the sea was the abode of evil, of demons and evil spirits. The divine being walking over them showed that the divine being, Jesus himself, cannot be pulled by these evil forces. He has overcome them. He is victorious over them. Therefore, so-called the demons and others, evil spirits, have no power to suck Jesus inside because he is victorious over them. The third could be this interpretation: when the divine being walks on the water, or when God is walking on the water, as we saw, nothing can ever disturb us. Nothing will happen to us because the divine being is with us. We heard in the gospel passage, when the disciples saw and they heard his voice, which says, "It is I." This I means God is there with them. So do not be afraid, it is I. Now, what message can we take for us home? When you look at life, it is full of ups and downs. There are storms, there are calm weathers. God is always with us, whether in storms or whether in calm weather. We need to believe that He is always with us. Time and again, when we are in so-called storms, we run hither and thither, we forget God is part of our journey on earth. That's why He made us, according to His own image and likeness. Let this truth go sink into our hearts. We know so many people who go to diverse so-called people when they say, go here, go there, do this. I'm not saying what people do. But they go here and there, believing that they have the power. God has the power. He is with us always. When the disciples heard that it is I, everything changed. God is with them. The human being and divine being is with them. The sea is calm. They reached the other side, the destination. But God was walking with them. Let us truth, as I said, sing to our lives that when the storms of life come our way, whatever they are, no need to, in a way, be perturbed, disturbed. We need to be, but to believe that He is with us, we need to get in touch with our inner self and believe in faith that what is good for us will happen to us, because God knows what is best for us at every moment of our life.